The Honda Ridgeline has one interior feature that no other truck on this list has. The entire rear seat lifts up to reveal a lockable storage compartment underneath. It sounds like a small thing, until you install a seat cover and try to access it. A standard rear seat cover wraps the bottom cushion and tucks underneath. The moment you try to lift the seat, the cover jams the mechanism. People found that on the Ridgeline, most aftermarket covers turn that built-in storage into something permanently buried. Seat Cover Solutions builds the Ridgeline rear cover with that lift mechanism in mind. The underside anchoring leaves the seat bottom free to raise without pulling the cover with it. The Ridgeline also has side impact airbags integrated through the seat panels. Airbag-safe stitching is built into every cover. Starting at $389, fits Sport through Black Edition, full front and rear set.